In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach an email in Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll be able to package an entire email, including its headers and formatting, into a single EML file and send it just like any other attachment. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Yahoo Mail. This is a simple way to get to the correct site without typing the address manually. In the search results, click the top result that takes you to the official Yahoo Mail page. Once you're on the site, sign into your account. Use your normal login method and complete any security checks that appear. After you're in, make sure you're using the new Yahoo Mail view, which is the modern interface most users see by default. Next, open the email you want to attach. This could be a message you received that you need to share with someone else while preserving all of its details. With the message open, look for the More icon, which appears as 3 dots. Click that icon, then choose View Raw Message. This option shows the full source of the email, including technical headers and the original formatting behind the scenes. A new tab or window will display a long block of text. Select all of it from top to bottom, then copy it. Now open a word processor, or even better, a plain text editor. A text editor is ideal because it won't add hidden formatting that could interfere with the .eml file. Paste the entire raw message into the editor. When you're ready to save, choose Save As and give the file a clear name ending with .eml, for example, email.ml. If your editor asks for a file type, choose All Files or Plain Text and make sure the name still ends exactly with .eml. This extension is important because it tells email programs how to open the message correctly. With your .eml file ready, go back to Yahoo Mail and compose a new message. Add your recipient and subject, then click the paperclip icon to attach a file. Browse to the .eml file you just saved and attach it. You'll see it appear below the subject line like any other attachment. When everything looks good, send your email. That's it. You've taken an existing message, captured its raw source, saved it as an EML file, and attached it to a new email. This method is especially helpful when someone needs the original headers or when you want to preserve exact formatting. Thanks for watching, and practice this once or twice so it becomes second nature.